Alright, so I'm not going to show my face quite yet, but I just got done working on this. So what I had to do was come in here. Obviously this was bolted in on top, and I had to come in and basically match sand this seam here to the top to make it a nice smooth transition, and then I marked any gaps. So I got that all done. Got that all done. I forgot my water in here. But yeah, got that all done. Supra is now just chilling right back there. So I guess let me get my table cleaned off here, and then I'm gonna probably start jacking the car up, and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay. So, snake that wrench through there. Okay. So here's what we got. So, got the exhaust sitting right there. Cardboard down, but we don't want to get terribly too dirty. Car is up on jack stands. I might do something else just to rock. Okay. Well, here's the undercarriage of the Supra. So, oop, got a dent in my muffler. Good thing I don't need that where I'm going. Okay. Well, let's snake our way up under here. Drive shaft. Am I zoomed out all the way? Yes, I am. So, like an idiot, I forgot my tripod. So, as I snake my way up under here, this is gonna be interesting, folks. It's gonna be real interesting. So, I just gotta make sure those jack stands are gonna hold. I think they will. If not, this video will probably never see the light of day, and I'm okay with this. So I'm just gonna start by taking these bolts off here. If I can actually show it. Oh, I got a dog looking at me. Am I even going the... Of course not. There it goes. Okay. Alright, well, whatever this is here, I'm gonna get... Hello. Well, anyway, whatever this is here, I'm gonna get it unmounted. And then I will probably talk to you guys in a second. I'm gonna get these bolts undone and go from there. Actually, I'm gonna start with these, because right there's my downpipe. So, I will talk to you guys in a second. Hey everybody. I know this is probably gonna be really close up, and I'm really sorry, but my phone's hitting the drive shaft. So, here is the downpipe that I put in, and as you can see, the rest of this exhaust is missing. So I got a couple of tubes here in my new 3-inch flange, and I'm gonna try my best to get this bolted on here like so, and then I can fit tubes. I can fit tubes inside of the new flange, get them mocked up, and I really hope this doesn't take too long, because there is a car show I do want to go to. I don't know when the rain is supposed to start. I'm hoping I can get this done before then and get back to my apartment, at least, and back in the garage. But one thing I do know is now that I've got the exhaust taken off, I'm literally just going to try to copy its exact path. So I kind of have a rough idea of where it's supposed to go. I'm going to use my knee as kind of like a reference here. I think it goes straight through here, but then it takes a hard right and goes back. So I'm going to see if I can't smooth that out some with this 45, and then I've got another 45 up there, but I'm going to start going on this, and I will update you guys in just a minute and kind of walk you through the process on what I'm doing here, and to give you guys an idea on how making a custom exhaust actually works, especially when all you have are jack stands to put the car on. So I will be right back, guys. I'm going to get a couple more things here started, and then I should have a good update for you here coming here pretty quick. So I will see you in a second. Okay, so bit of an update. Here is the old exhaust, and as you can probably tell, right here, it's a excuse that. But as you can tell, probably right here is the factory exhaust, and then here is where somebody's welded it and added another section of pipe, and then just a single exit muffler. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I am almost certain that these cars came with a dual exit muffler instead of just a single. So, but there's that. Here is this. So I cut one of the 45s and tacked it where I think I'm gonna get the best. Yeah, tack there and tack there. Don't forget that. I had the tube slip out of my hand while I was tacking it. So, let's see. Throw my gloves back up under there. Snaggle my way back to this. I do have the new flange on there. However, it is not bolted permanently. Let's see, which half was I sticking in? I believe it was this one. Yeah, just like that. Oh, come on. Get in the flange. Hold on, I gotta use my other hand here. I know you probably can't see nothing right now, but just give me a sec. Okay. So, that's in the flange. And, oh my god. Okay, well, you're not gonna be able to see this, but, yeah. Get my other glove off so I can hold this with my other hand. Here we go. Okay, so, ideally, once this is up in here, it'll be looking like probably something like that. And I kind of just want to make sure that this tube here, this video is gonna suck. I am really sorry, but ideally I just want to make sure that this tube here, the out, is gonna line up with this hole right here, because that's where I gotta go. So that's pretty much where I'm aiming, and as of right now, this is looking really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack this pipe in here, tack that to the flange so it doesn't move. You see, I can get a little bit of wiggle in there side to side with the pipe. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that tacked, and then I think the rest of this is going to go really easy. I think this was probably the toughest part, because I had to cut a 45 in half and manipulate it to just have a very, very slight bend in it and then straighten back out. So I think this is going to be probably the toughest section right here, and once I get this done, then obviously coming back here is going to be pretty self-explanatory. So with that being said, I will check back in here in a minute. I'm going to try to get this junk, god dang it. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to try to get this 4-foot section over here mounted and tacked, at least right here. And after I get that tacked up, then I'll come back and, or maybe not tacked up, but at least I'll grab a Sharpie and mark this and put a line on it so I know to line it up. Probably going to have to do a little bit of trimming on the straight section, just for the simple fact that the ends aren't quite perfectly circular. There's a couple dents here on the end, so I will have to fix that. So with that being said, I think I'm gonna cut it here, and then am I forgetting anything? Oh, one more thing. Well, I'm thinking about it. I'm probably gonna start making some of the hangers too, just to help keep this up and where I want it. So I just gotta figure out where the fuck I want this pipe. Yeah, right about there. Alright. Well, I know what I want, so I'm gonna get to it and I'll be back here in a minute. Okay. I have to apologize. So I kinda got frustrated and I did the whole thing. So I don't know how well you can see it, but it was a pain in my ass. I hated it, but it's done. So I'm gonna load up these boxes and then I'm gonna give you guys the official first start with the new exhaust. As you can see, all the lights are shut off. The only door open is this one. I don't have a key to lock the door, so unfortunately I just have to go out the overhead and then close the door behind me, but that's not really that big of a deal. I'm just gonna leave my welding stuff right there. Let me move these jacks right over there, and I will set the camera up and give you guys the first start. I'm so excited. Okay, so real quick, while editing this, I forgot to include, or at least to say that right after this, I'm going to include a few clips of what the exhaust, a clip or two at least, of what the exhaust sounded like just with the downpipe. So that's everything up to, well, what it sounded like before I took the rest of the exhaust off and straight piped it. So that's going to be the next clip or two, and then I'll resume the video and you guys will get to actually see my first reactions to the car, starting it up the day I finished it, leaving the shop, and then again while I was out for a drive later that day. So, or at least the following day anyway, since it was a weekend. But hope you guys enjoy, and roll clip. Alright, let's go. That thing sounds beautiful. I can hear it in the interior. It's gonna take some getting used to, honestly, but I love it. I freaking love it. Okay. While that thing warms up, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. It's Saturday. I've been here since 6 a.m. Not working on this, but on that other bitchy project. I started working on this at about 11, finally. So I've been doing this for a little over 7 hours. I'm tired. I'm dirty. I need a shower. Probably gonna go home and take a nap too. If you guys haven't seen my previous video about the update, part of that now is irrelevant because the car is now straight piped. I no longer have the pipes just sitting around. I have them. So I'm gonna slowly cruise home, enjoy the new exhaust and an even richer smell of burning oil and gasoline behind the car as I drive. With that being said, guys, if you haven't hit that subscribe button down below already, please hit it. Hit that notification bell too to let you know when I upload awesome content like this. Stay tuned, guys. I got more coming. This is just the beginning. Drop a like. Let me know what you think about the new exhaust, how it sounds, what you think I could change. I'm contemplating whether or not I should add a resonator, depending on if I need one or not. I'm gonna drive it for a few days, and I'll decide from there. So, with that being said, guys, peace out. I'm tired. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one. All right, I'm gonna prop you guys up right here on this pole. Listen to this. You ready? Straight piped 89 Mark III Supra.